Hey everybody, it's Kat here, your crazy, up in the clouds, quirky makeup artist friend here today to do a chit chat, get ready with me style monthly favorites video sponsored by Decca Scarlet, where I did this look using their palette. This month, the January palette is in collaboration with FAVS. They also collaborate with other popular YouTubers. Decca Scarlet is a monthly subscription makeup line, so every month you get a new palette of kit, which includes 3 eyeshadows, a blush highlighter, 2 lip colors, and this time DOS's first ever illuminating glow drops, which are great. And each palette costs less than one product at Sephora. Their kits are just $29.95. And you guys know I wouldn't collaborate with someone unless I absolutely love their product, and I've been a huge fan of Decca Scarlet for like a year now. So to get started with this chit chat style get ready with me video talking about my monthly favorites, I'm going to be using, like I said, the Deck of Scarlet this month of January, which is now a subscription service, which is really cool. So each month you get this whole palette full of highlighters, blushes, eyeshadows, and lip colors all in one. And I'm gonna do a look inspired by June Crease. I think that's how you say her name on Instagram. Her Instagram account is amazing, so I'm gonna do this look, recreate it with this palette. This is definitely a monthly favorite. I use these all the time, especially when I'm in a rut and I don't know what looks to wear. These colors in here always go together. So let's get started on the monthly favorites. I'm just gonna take my eyeshadow base, put that here, and talk about, oh my gosh, there's so many monthly favorites this month. I don't know if you guys, I feel like I'm the last person that showed up to this party, but I've been obsessed with Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and I don't know why I'm the last person on the planet to hear about it. Probably because I just started getting Too Faced PR. I never got Too Faced, because this foundation isn't cheap. Taking the color Insta Famous and putting that on the outer corners. Ooh, that's pigmented. Yes. That foundation, oh my gosh, it's super full coverage. I need to dilute mine with strobe cream only because I have very dry skin. But if you're a oily skin girl and you love a full coverage, that foundation is everything. Another foundation I've been obsessed with is the one I'm wearing today, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. Oh my gosh. I was so excited because I love the regular Photo Focus foundation that's in the liquid form, and I've never tried mini stick foundation formulas. I don't know why. It just didn't appeal to me. But stick foundations are like right next to cream. They're similar in texture and I love it. But you have to be careful with this stick foundation, only because it has a lot of ingredients that aren't good for acne prone people and people with sensitive skin. And I have sensitive skin, but I haven't been really breaking out. I think I have one pimple here, but nothing major yet, and I've used it many a times this week. As you can see, I'm doing purples and pinks instead of blues and pinks, like in my reference photo for Miss June. It's still gonna look cute. But if you're looking for a stick foundation that's $5, around that price point, and it's not like over 20 like most of the ones at Sephora, I would definitely try this. Just be warned if you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin if you buy it. But any new product, you should be careful in case it doesn't work out. Now I know my makeup looks crazy right now, but I'm gonna take this color Obsessed, which is like a muted light pink mauve, and I'm putting that on my brow bone just to be like a light transition shade, and on the outer corners to connect those pinks to make it blend all nicely. Speaking of Wet n Wild, they just came out with these liquid catsuit eyeshadows. Oh my gosh, I'll show the look here that I use with this. Is my favorite color out of the collection, but all of them are amazing. The Fairy Tale Ending is so pretty. It's like this light lavender purple color. I'm just getting a white cream paint. I'm gonna do the cloud details on this look on my eyelid, and you should really check it out. Those liquid shadows are really popular in a lot of brands lately, but they're not Stila. But there are some that are cheaper and better than the Stila. Was like one of the first brands to do those liquid shadows. But I find that the Stila ones, they're super expensive. Not only that, but they are more prone to dry out than most of them. So I personally like the Pop Beauty ones more because they don't dry out as much as the Stila. And I love the Wet n Wild ones, even though they're not as pigmented. But you can layer them and they're so pretty for the price. I feel like they're definitely worth buying. Ooh, look at that cloud. They almost look like little flowers. Another thing I've been obsessed with is these Sweet Chef masks from Glow Recipe. Most of Glow Recipe stuff, since I have very sensitive skin, it doesn't work with my skin. It makes me break out. I've had one of the worst allergic reactions from their blueberry cleanser, but that's just my skin. But that stuff is made with natural ingredients like beets. I used the ginger one, was amazing, and my skin felt so soft and just amazing the next day. When I used that at night before bed, I just put that mask on for 20 minutes, sit, chill, watch Netflix, and it was bomb. And they're very affordable. Taking the Decca Scarlet Insta Famous color again, and I'm gonna put that in the center of my face just to do like a skyline area of like a sunset. And another thing, speaking of skincare, I've been obsessed with Pixie's Bros Beauty Skin Treats Makeup Melting Cleansing Cloths. This takes off makeup like a dream. They're so tiny. This literally looks like a pack of pads, to be honest with you. But, oh, it's so amazing. I'm just gonna take some of my illuminating drops from the Decca Scarlet, and I'm putting it on the tip of my nose just as like a highlight point. Oh yes, that's what she needed. And on the bridge of my nose a little too. Oh, that's so pretty. With the tiny brush and my Decca Scarlet illuminating drops, I'm just putting it in that inner corner as well. Just give a pop of a highlight there. That's so pretty. Now with the fluffy brush, going back to the purple color groove, I'm gonna put that is this outer part where I would put blush normally. Again, we're trying to do like a sunset color, pink and purple sky across our face. Another thing in the makeup department I've been obsessed with this month is Extreme Lash Official Lashes. I've done so many looks with these lashes. Look at the packaging, first of all. One of my favorite Twilight Zone inspired makeups. The lashes were, a lot of my looks lately have been with Extreme Lash Official. They're an amazing company and their lashes are so beautiful. They're very much an indie brand, but they're great customer service. Their selection of lashes is gorgeous. They're very extreme. Extreme Lash Official does. They touch your eyebrows. Maybe I'll use those lashes today. That's in the style Lustful. They always like repost my looks. I'm so incredibly thankful. I kind of look bruised, but that's okay. Let's get more of that pink. So that there's not this breakup here, we're gonna put some highlight there later. Not that our Decca Scarlet needs it, but I'm gonna spray it just to make it super intense with that crystallized highlighter shade. Yes. Another lash company makeup product I've been obsessed with is the lashes from Divine Eye Candy. Oh my gosh. They're different styles and they're so great. Just doing clouds, as you can see. Another product I've been obsessed with, this is this weird thing that came from a Juno and Company package. I absolutely have never tried one of these beauty blender holders. It's so cute and it just makes doing your makeup so much more fun to have a little holder for your beauty blender. I don't know, maybe that's just me though. I'm just gonna take some liquid glitters and put them on my face in certain areas just to make it more cutesy. And speaking of glitter, I have to talk about my next monthly favorite. One of my old school friends, she has a company that she works at from home and makes these tumblers, and look at this that she made me. They're such great quality. They're so beautiful. She does customized tumblers. She did my name and this ombre glitter and my favorite flower, sunflowers on it. You should definitely check out her Instagram. It's KB_custom_creations. She's like such a beautiful, nice human. I've known her forever. And I'm not saying that just because I know her. I absolutely love the tumbler she makes me. She's so creative and talented. I'm gonna put some glitter here too, why not? Let's do some glitter on the brow bone and the inner corner. While I go into these two lip colors, Undone and Dizzy from my Decca Scarlet palette, let me talk about the music I've been obsessed with this month. Literally, Billie Eilish. Oh my gosh, I've turned into her on this channel. She's one of my favorites. While I'm posting this video, or making it, I should say, she came out with a new song and I'm already obsessed with it. It's called Bury a Friend. I love her. It's hard to talk while doing lipstick. Wait 1 second. Oh my gosh, this Dizzy color from this palette is amazing. Okay, that's my fave. This is probably one of my favorite months that they've made. I'm just using it as like an overtop gloss thing. And this nude is so pretty. I'm just trying to make the white a little bit more pigmented right now. So Billie Eilish's new song, like I said, slaps. So good. And I've been loving this music artist I just discovered called Lizzo. I think she was on Ellen recently. And her song Juice is my favorite. It's on my workout playlist. It's so upbeat, so magnificent as she is. Love her personality on Instagram. Love the body positivity. And I've been obsessed with this song called Panic Room by AU/RA that my friend Zach from Instagram told me about. Oh my god. It's so good. It's like house techno kind of, but it's so good. I don't know what it is about that song. While I do my lashes, I have to tell you about other things I'm obsessed with. This song called Personal by Emotional Oranges. Oh my gosh. Obsessed. It's such a different song that it's like very sexy, but it's so good. And I've been obsessed with the TV show Malcolm in the Middle again. This is my third time watching the whole entire series all over again because my boyfriend has never seen Malcolm in the Middle. Like, what? Who hasn't seen Malcolm? It's one of my favorite TV shows of all time. Definitely set in the 90s about this family that's very full of boys, very rambunctious, very odd but good in a good way. The guy from Breaking Bad's in it. Before he was on Breaking Bad, he was in this show. It's so good. Oh, so much mascara that just flopped on my bottom lash. Speaking of bottom lash, let's put some white paint there. Now while I put on my Extreme Lash Official, I have to tell you about the dumbest game. Okay, it's not dumb, but it's dumb for a 30-year-old to be obsessed with the game. I'm on level 390 on this game called Matchington Mansion, and it's addicting. I swear, if you're into those games, I'm usually not into games where you build towns and stuff like that. In this one, you build your own mansion and you take a rundown mansion and remodel it. That's probably why I like it, because I'm so one of those girls who's like, HGTV, I want to go to Target and check out the Heart and, you know, Chip and Joan Gaines' collection at Target. I'm that girl. So if you're that girl and like games for iPads, this is your game, because I'm obsessed. Again, level 390, and I'm only think halfway through the game. It's one of those matching games. It's like Candy Crush. But in this one, when you match the items and pass the levels, you get coins, and the coins and stars that you get to buy new appliances for your new mansion, remodel it. It's so addicting, and there's a handsome handyman. I don't know why I'm 30 and talking about how much I love this game, but I don't judge. I still play with Legos and build Lego sets with my boyfriend at 30. Age is but a number. So this is our finished look. I can't believe we achieved all this with just this palette from Decca Scarlet, but this is so handy for traveling. Use this code to get 30% off of your next deck of Scarlet. It's now a monthly subscription service. Again, this is less than per month, less than one product that you get at Sephora, which is just $29.95 for this. So thank you so much to Decca Scarlet for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited. I can't believe this one palette does all of this. All you needed was some glitter again, some white paint and lashes. Absolutely love these palettes, because if I'm stuck in a rut, don't know what to do with my face, they always have colors that work together in here so you can be creative and have fun with your makeup, and it all matches and is great for on the go. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, ships to US, Canada, and UK. Again, every month you get so excited to get a new palette like this. Great makeup without having to spend a lot of money. That's why I love them. I'll put the links down below for more information about this palette and all the products I use in this video. Leave a comment down below on what your favorite thing this month, whether it's a TV show, a makeup product, or both. Let me know. I'd love to hear. And of course, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel. I do videos twice a week, every Monday for Makeup Mondays for beauty makeups, and Fridays for Effects Fridays for more body painting and effects tutorials. So I have a little bit in everything for everyone of all ages. So I hope to see you guys soon. And I love you all. See you in the next video. Bye!